Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it is me, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, you know what time it is. Time for another video, time for my hot pick of the day. But before we get into that, that's right, don't forget to smash those buttons for me, punch up those algos for me. That's right, beat them up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, also hit that bell notification anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, or go live. You'll be the first one to know. So let's get into it today. Time for my hot pick of the day, and today's hot pick of the day is the ticker TWOU. That's Twou. It had earnings after hours, and let's check it out. Shares of the educational software company Twou, ticker TWOU, is trading higher in today's aftermarket after it released its third quarter results that showed the revenue in the quarter rose 44% from the year ago period. That's right, the company's shares rose 13.71% to trade at $25.80 per share. Volume in the after hours session topped 498,000 shares. That's right, the company's stock rose 3.94 in the day's regular trading session and closed at $22.69. After the bell, Twou reported third quarter revenue of $153.8 million. The company said revenue from its graduate program segment was up 15% on the year to $103.4 million, and its alternative credential segment revenue was up 192% to $50.4 million. The company also said its net loss for the third quarter was $131.2 million, higher than a year ago at $141 million.
I'm so damn confused.
That doesn't seem good. Or a loss of $2.23 per share. The company also narrowed its full year guidance for revenue, saying it expected a range between $570 million and $570.5 million from an earlier range of $565.7 million and $575.7 million. So pretty close on that, but that was the news, and that's why the ticker Twou gapped up in the after hours trading. But as always, let's go to the charts to see what's really going on with Twou, ticker symbol TWOU. There you go. You see that big gap up on the after hours. It closed at Twou closed at $22.69 and hit a high of $26.44 in the after hours, and just kind of chopping up and holding its ground at this $25.96. As you can tell, this is a golden line right here. $25.96 is a 50% retracement on a Fibonacci. As you know, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, so let's go see where I got those lines from. Let's go to the daily chart to check that out. As you can see, my Fibonacci retracement goes from this last leg down from July 22nd to this drop. I believe it was earnings on 7/31. So from 40.55 all the way till the 11.37 low from earnings, it popped back up and was retesting this 18.26 retracement level, kind of just trying to break out, broke back down, and just kind of sitting, and then finally gapped up and kind of broke up and held above it. Let's see, last week sometime, and today it is above this $25.96 50% retracement right here, same level except on the intraday chart. And what is very interesting, as you can see, is this area right here, the big gap fill. Even if I zoom out a little bit, hardly any volume in this area. So if this thing can hold this $25.96, we could see this complete the gap fill and get to this $33.38 level. Let's just mark it off, $33.38 level, and maybe even this retracement level of $34.31. Let's look at the intraday chart for more details on that. Let's go to the 4 hour so we can get a better idea of what it's popping with Twou. You can see this was the big drop on earnings back in July. So if it holds this $25.96, not much stopping it from completing this gap fill, like I said, to this $33.38 level, and even this retracement of $34.31. ATR is only 90 cents, but like I said, with these earning plays, they can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, even 10 times.
10!
It's ATR in a day, all depending on how much volume, and being that it is a lower price stock at only about 25 bucks, we could see some heavy volume coming in, especially as we are wrapping up earnings seasons. People might want to get behind this stock and push it up, but we just have to see. This $25.96 will be a key level to hold on TWOU, so we're just gonna go look for that. It's plain and simple, not much more to analyze than that. So that is my hot pick of the day on the ticker TWOU. That's Twou. there you go. That was my hot pick of the day on Twou. Now don't forget, it takes a lot of time and effort to put these videos together, but I do it all for you guys out there. All I ask in return is for you to smash up those buttons. Who doesn't like it? Just one click of the mouse helps me out. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell anytime I put up some new content or some new videos or go live. You'll be the first one to know. All right, there you go. That was my hot pick of the day for tomorrow, November 13, 2019 on Twou. All right, time for me to check on out. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, heading on out the door, reminding you to plan your trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean. Till next time, aloha.